He's having the time of his life. Hello!
Look at you.
What is that? There's lights, right? Hi guys, we are in town. We are in town. We come to the Christmas market. Ow. Yeah, we come to the Christmas market and Tyler is seeing all the lights in the street and he's pretty excited about it. So he says, Mama, can you show face the lights? Huh? Yes, I see. This is the shopping street. Please don't. This is the shopping street. It's all the lights here and that way. What's that? Yeah, more light. He's so excited. He's gonna be so excited when he sees the Christmas market. That store. A store. Oh, it goes back to blue. I missed the red. It had changed to red just now and I missed it. I missed the red tie. When it turned red again, you tell me, okay? He's excited to see all the lights. This is in the middle of town. Look at him.
And she laughed because it was like so
Yeah. Look over there. Look at that one. You see? Yeah. Look at the man up there sitting. You see the man sitting up there? Yeah. Uh-huh. I see it. All right, let's go to the Christmas market now. There goes the wheel. Spinning. We went in it last year. Don't know if we're gonna do it this year again. Yeah.
And look! A freaking car!
Yeah. Yes? Ty! We're going over there. Yeah? You wanna go in that? Alright, we see. We're in the line to go in. Tyler is so excited to get in. Right, Ty? Look, Ty! Churros line is long. Oh, there's more? Oh yeah, remember we bought it down there the last time. The Christmas tree. Oh, that's why I put on his flash shoes because I know he'll be running. Oh, he's gone. Ty! You have to wait for me. You wanna go in the ride? Wait. He's gone. They're going in this one. Bye bye. Look at his face. Hey. He's so excited. He's ready to go. Bye-bye. Bye. Blow me kiss. Kiss. Mwah. Mwah. He's so excited. He's ready to go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. He's in the green one. Where is it? Oh my gosh. It didn't come around, is it? It's a green or blue they're in. Okay, I think it's this blue one. They're coming in this blue one. This blue one, I think they're eating. He's having the time of his life. Hello! You cannot come to the Christmas market and you don't get churros and crepe. That's what we get in. Crab face. Crepe stuff. Crepe stuff. It's pretty, huh? It's cool. You're excited?
He's very cute.
Thank you. She said you're very cute. The Messi. He's hungry. The Messi. Be nice. You're hungry? That's why you're sad? Look at his face. You have Santa hat at home. So the Christmas markets are a lot of these small stalls going all along. Wow, look over there. You want crepe? Big bite. Stand. This is a speciality of France. It's nuts and specific candy. They have different flavors over there. It looks so good. Oh, they look so yummy. Jeez. They even have the healthy ones with raisins, and there are different types of chocolates over here. Chocolate heaven, this one. I just want the white chocolate. Now. Hold this. Oh. He's smiling away. He looks so scared.
Look at you.
They just let.
That is also because it's more than catch up the herd.
He will catch the other one. Allez. C'est bon? Allez, descends.
Bye bye. Here, honey, take.
Ah, Tyler is the one in the fur.
It's the back.
Yeah. Bonjour toi.
Papa would have to go with you. Mama can't go with you. See dear. See Santa Claus dear. You want Santa Claus to bring you a gift? Santa Claus will bring you a gift on Christmas. Okay?
It's Christmas?
It's not Christmas as yet.